Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to go over a couple reasons why your circles may not be lying flat and turn out wrinkly like this, or they might be curling in at the edges like this circle. So one reason why your circle may not be lying flat is if you have too many stitches in your round. So for example, with this circle, you can see in my outer round, I've increased in every single stitch, and this just makes too many stitches for that round, and it causes a lot of crowding, and as a result, you get that kind of wavy edge. So a simple fix is just to decrease the number of stitches or increases that you're making for that round. So the second reason your circles may not be lying flat is if you have a change in your yarn tension or how tight you're making your stitches. So for this circle, the first few rounds that I made, my yarn tension isn't as tight and you can see my stitches are on the larger side. But then in this last round that I made, my yarn tension tightens and I make the stitches much tighter, and it kind of causes the edge of my circle to curl up on itself. So if you find this happening and you have changes with your yarn tension, you might want to switch up your hook size, and this can help you even out the tightness of your stitches. For example, I used a 4mm hook to crochet this circle, but since my stitches were too tight on this last round, I could try switching to a larger hook such as this 4.25mm, and that can help me even out my yarn tension. On the other hand, if your stitches are too loose, you can try switching to a smaller hook. So that's how you can fix your wavy or curled circles. I hope you guys find these tips helpful, and don't forget to let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.